Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I learned a little trick today and I thought I'd share it. I've got 3 identical items. They're all exact 72 dots print on all of them, and they're clip art and they are fuzzy, and I've always resampled. So this first one we're going to leave alone. The second one we're going to go to bitmap, resample, and just change it to 300 dots per inch, and then hit OK. It changed it a little bit, but still a lot of fuzziness. So this is what I learned. Somebody said about a picture, and you'll see it just saying, go to bitmap, and I'm going to resample it to 300 dots per inch. But when I click on there, I'm going to get 2 more things I can click on. One of them would be photorealistic, which you could do for a photo, but this is for an illustration. And then I put it to the maximum, and it's going to take like 12 seconds. And I want you to see the difference. This would be very, very helpful when you're doing clip art. I don't know if you can see that, but it is incredible, a lot sharper. These are both of them. It's taking out the noise, all this fuzzy looking stuff. Maybe we can see it better if we put a yellow box and go to object and put it order and back a page. Well, they're still clip arts, so it's not going to show up because the yellow is still going to be behind the white box of the clip art. But I think this would help you quite a bit in tracing this. I mean, it's incredible, the difference. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.